Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use the magic capture feature on your Google Pixel 11 Pro. So the magic capture is the new camera mode which is AI powered, and it basically lets you capture any moment, any event where you're at, and you will not have to switch between taking photos, making videos. AI will do everything for you. It will capture the key moments of the event, and it will also create an AI edited video of the entire event, with keeping the focus on the main thing that's happening. All you have to do is just open your camera, select the mode on the left side, and then start capturing your recording. So you just start recording a video, then you move your camera around, you show or you capture what you want to see, and once you want to finish, you just tap stop and then wait until the AI does its magic. You'll get a bunch of photos that will display whatever you wanted to capture in the best way possible according to Gemini AI, and you'll also get the video which is also edited. Then you move your camera around, you show in a way that will display your event the best. Unfortunately, I'm not in any event right now, so the results are not that impressive, but yeah, that's basically the feature for you to capture the best moments without needing to think about capturing it, and as Gemini or Google says, just live in the moment instead of trying to capture the best of it. And that's pretty much what it's all about. So that's how this feature works. Thank you for watching this video, and if it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.